Hello and welcome to CJC Adventures. I'm Carl, and today me and Craig are going to take a look at some of the history and, well, see what we can find. No rhyme or reason today. We're here in Wolverhampton in the Black Country in the good old West Midlands. We're going to take a look at the Chubb and Sons Lock and Safe Company Limited. We're going to see what we can see, and to be honest, I'm learning while you're watching. So we're just going to see what we can find today. Stick with us. It's going to be a good day, hopefully. Very oldie worldy in here. Reminds me of an old bus station, do you?
Oh, that's probably what it was.
There's a cinema in here, don't there?
Yeah.
We've got the cinema. Proper old building, eh? It's a proper old building.
Oh, yeah.
It's like an old...
Whatever, so Casablanca, probably 70s, 80s film.
Oh, it's like a oldie world sort of cinema, eh?
Yeah.
I'm only glancing round anyway. I suppose there's a lot of hidden things round here, either. You don't know what was here before.
Oh, yeah.
The film there, look, Joyride. We're going to Joyride up
Oh. Station to?
there. The Joyride? Oh no. Oh no. Been a police cell somewhere. That's another view of the Lighthouse Cinema and Cafe Bar. And the cafe's in there, very tucked away. Former lockworks. The busy road along here, eh? The busy road along here. You notice that building there, look? It's like an old railway building, eh?
Oh, yeah. Right over here, up on the green.
It's over there, right, Mum Green. Another entrance here, right to there. And they used to make locks here then?
Yeah.
Oh, they make safes and all, don't they? They used to make safes as well.
Yeah.
Oh. I can imagine this being in the history books of Wolverhampton, wouldn't it? Now, the former Chubb Lock Works, what you can see here, was actually built between 1898 and 1899 in the Victorian era. So, yeah, a little bit of information there. Not a lock works anymore. Used to be a BT tour, that did. I think so. Something to do with phones. It's School of Art now. I know, that's all. Just sit it there. I was coming up here once a week, can you remember? And we said Robert Plant there, we? Led Zeppelin.
Yeah.
He was standing just here, were
Yeah.
just by the steps. A bloke said to me there, he says, because it was match day, he said, "Oh, what you doing here then?" It's a bit obvious here, what Robert Plant be doing on a match day at Wolves' ground.
Oh.
Yeah. Wolves club shop. What does that mean? You do? Oh. Yeah. So them balls, eh?
What?
Them bounce balls. I thought there was them bingy balls there. Oh, you say them like
Kids got the bouncing balls, yeah, you just lose them.
no, I used to
You know what I mean?
bounce everywhere up there. Club shop. Prices ain't too bad in there, no. That's club shop's go anyway. That's it. Darlington Street, ain't this? Darlington Street, eh? Oh. Leads up to the town centre, don't he? Do you know I'll grab out here, Craig? I'll bite you. Grab you. And Craig getting us some donuts. Likes his donuts, does Craig. And Craig, let's see your donuts. I was born. See your donuts. Yeah. Right. Oh, now them look nice, hey? Oh, them do look nice. Now give me one now. I like hot. Nice. What's your review out of 10?
11.
I'd say 17 then.
10.
We've seen a gorilla today, a monkey. We've seen a tiger. No, we ain't seen a tiger, we've just seen a gorilla and now a lion. So I'm on the lookout for a tiger next. Love you, Craig. Just on the lookout for a tiger now. We've seen, say, a monkey, a lion, after a tiger now. All over the place, are there? Crispy Kreme donuts. Craig's taking some cough mixture. Got a bit of a tickly cough. Just been in Boots the chemist. He's taking his medicine now. You can stand under the way to tap Craig. Oh. You can stand under. Nice refreshing warm day today. and stand under the water tap. Taking a risk, Craig. Ooh! Ooh. Ooh. Come from anywhere, couldn't you? Ooh. Fountain going really strong in the middle of Wolverhampton. Nice day today. I was just wondering, you know, there's quite a few people around. Because Wolves are playing away today, perhaps they're all at the match in Leeds. Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, they're not. Oh, she's the line there, we are.
Oh, that tiger. That tiger, we said the. There's somewhere around there.
Isn't it paper? The other day, we did that. What is it now? From Madagascar, what they call lemurs, one of them.
Lemurs. I don't know what you do there, I'm used to people out there. But,
picture it all.
They are. Lemurs. The lemur. What's the man on the horse? What does it say in these parts? Man on the horse. Of course, I do believe it's Queen Victoria's husband who, when she came here, she didn't like it when she came through. It was all industry back then. But these days, a few years later at least, like these days, it's a lot better. So she liked the Black Country then and Wolverhampton because they put a statue of her husband here. Another look at the gorilla in all his glory, waiting for someone to take a photograph of him. Craig doing us a coffee. It's a coffee break at the moment. Nice, Craig. Well, there's been no rhyme or reason today, as for what we've got to do. We've just potted round, don't we, really?
Yeah.
Well, how about coffee then? How about coffee? Looks as though I'm on the beach. Wish we was, but we're not. Dead chairs. Nothing like them, is there, in the sun? Sweeties, Craig?
Yeah. You're going to go to the chips. Here comes the aeroplane.
Aeroplane. I've seen many about today, does there? No, I've seen many about. Sports director. Oh. Sockies. Have a look at them. And that's it for today on CJC Adventures. Thanks for watching. If you like this bit of not much of a rhyme and reason today, just a nice little trip out here in Wolverhampton, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye for now.